Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change to 2.4 GHz on Xfinity. So the first step is signing in to the Xfinity application with your Xfinity ID and password. After signing into the application, select Wi-Fi from the bottom navigation on the Xfinity application. Now click on View Wi-Fi Equipment. Now select Advanced Settings. Now what you'll have to do is click on 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. If you would like to select a specific Wi-Fi channel, select Edit next to 2.4 or 5 GHz. A dialog window will appear. Now choose the channel number from the channel drop-down menu. To complete the change, select Apply Changes at the bottom of the dialog window. You'll have to note that advanced settings aren't visible on the XB6 gateways and newer models and cannot be managed from the Xfinity application. Confirm the gateway model to ensure that these steps are applicable. Now I will show you how to change to 2.4 GHz using the admin tool. The first step is connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now open a web browser and go to 10.0.0.1. So just go to your browser, type in this and sign in. If you haven't changed the password, the default username and password is admin and password respectively. Now go to Gateway, click on Connection, select Wi-Fi. Now to change your channel selection, select Edit next to the Wi-Fi channel, that is 2.4 or 5 GHz that you want to change. So click on the radio button for the channel selection field, then select your desired channel number. To change your Wi-Fi mode, select Edit next to Wi-Fi mode and select your desired mode. Now select Save Settings. After you're done following these steps, you would have successfully changed to 2.4 GHz on Xfinity. So that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.